Oftentimes, we take a look at the companies we love the most. We look at Facebook, we look at Uber, we look at all these big companies, and we compare our beginning to their middle. It's our beginning, but it's their middle, their end of their story. They're somewhere else, and we compare ourselves. What you have to realize, though, is that most of these companies launched small with a specific targeted niche audience. So, for example, Facebook is now a global, humongous company. But when they launched, they just first launched for Harvard students, exclusively Harvard students. A couple thousand people is who they launched for. Uber, same thing. We think they're this global international company now, but when they launched in just one city for a specific type of target customer. It wasn't a mainstream thing. So for you, don't forget the riches are in the niches. Find a really targeted, tailor specific community. That means you need multiple parameters on kind of narrowing it down. So you can pick a location if you want. You can pick a type of person if you want. You can pick a profession if you want. You can pick all those different types of things, but you need at least 3 layers of niching it down in order to actually be niche enough, right? So do that work and don't forget the riches are in the niches. Even our favorite companies, they launched with targeted communities. It is much easier to market to someone specific than it is to market to everyone. As marketers, we often say if you're marketing to everyone, then you're marketing to no one. You're making your job much harder by thinking that it's going to be this global, oh, it's for everyone company. Your company's not for everyone. It's not supposed to be. And what you can do is you can just gradually add more and more types of people. Just like think the Facebook strategy, right? Facebook launched in one school and they sent out an email one day and said, hey guys, we're moving to Yale. Hey guys, we're moving to these other schools. And you just add and add as you go, but you don't need to be for everyone when you launch. So think about this. What are the 3 different layers of niching down that you're going to do? The smaller the group, the easier your job will be.